Hello, everyone. My name is Brian Van Hook, and I'm Regional Director of the Small Business Development Center at FIU. And I'm really proud to be here today with Nick Formico and Key West Marine Hardware to present him with the 2023 Florida Keys Small Business Client of the Year. We work a lot with a number of businesses in the Keys and Miami-Dade. We're all really proud of the outcomes and impacts that we're able to make for the community. But at the end of the day, it's all about the business owners. So we really wanted to take this opportunity to recognize Nick and his family and his team and the great work that he does. So, Nick, thanks. Congratulations on the award.
All right. Thank you, Brian, for the award. And I'd like to thank Nancy and Julie for all their help, especially Nancy helping me with the business plan for quite some time and going over all the little details and helping me get done what we needed to get done and accomplish the end goals. I own a small hardware store that we specialize in marine products, and we sell to all the commercial sports, commercial fishermen and charter boats, and even the recreational guys, and help everybody rebuild and get back on the water and do what they need to do. So without the SBDC, I wouldn't have been able to get the loan to buy the business and get to where we're at now, and so they've been a huge help. And thank you very much for the award.
No, congratulations. Congratulations on your success. And we look forward to working with you in the future as well. So just thank you. Thanks.